Hi and welcome to ISBI. Today I show you how I made the fence to my router table. First I cut all the parts for the basic construction, in this case for the attaching plate, the base plate and the subface. I use my table saw fence to find the right dimensions, because this router table fence will be attached to it. Then I cut the faceplate for the fence. I used coated plywood because the parts will better glide on the fence. Here I cut all the parts to the right length with the miter saw. Then I cut some parts which act as supports between the attachment plate and the sub-face plate. And here I cut the bevel on one end on both of the face plates. Last but not least, I cut a part which will be the dust port. Here I drill a big hole in the base plate and in the sub-face plate. Then I complete the cutouts with the bandsaw. I use a T-slot router bit to make a T-slot on the back of each of the face plates. These slots are the mounting and adjusting slots. Then I make another T-slot on the front of each faceplate, so I have the possibility to attach stop blocks or featherboards. Here I drill the mounting holes in the attachment plate and the mounting holes for the face plates in the sub-face plate. And I drill a big hole in the dust port to attach the dust collection hose. Here I check the parts one last time and assemble the whole construction. I decide to make slots instead of holes in the attachment plate to compensate for inaccuracies. For attaching the faceplates to the sub-face plate, I use carriage bolts on which I grind two parallel faces so the bolts will fit in the T-slots. For attaching the face plates, I use some star knobs which a friend of mine gave me. To attach the whole construction to the table saw fence, I drill two holes in it and screw two threaded inserts in. Now the router table fence can easily attach to the table saw fence. And here you can see why I made the faceplates adjustable, so I can slide the faceplates as near as possible to the router bit, so the gap are as small as possible. And one thing that I like is that I can use the dust hose from my table saw dust hood. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe, give it a thumb up, share and stay tuned for future projects. See ya!